Hey everyone! You know that feeling when you open a blank code editor and have no clue where to start? Or when your browser is flooded with Stack Overflow tabs hoping for a miracle? Yeah, we've all been there. Today we're diving into Verdent AI, a powerful AI coding tool designed to handle planning, coding, and verification right inside Visual Studio Code or as a standalone app. We'll explore both, build a Pomodoro Timer, and see how Verdent handles parallel tasks like a personal dev team. Check out all the useful links in the description. There might be discounts waiting for you. Now let's jump in. What is Verdent AI? Verdent AI is more than a code assistant. It's like having a personal dev team. It plans your work, writes the code, and verifies results automatically. Verdent is built for reliability and speed. Every step is transparent and explainable. The core idea is simple. You describe the feature, Verdent generates a step-by-step plan,
verifies the code,
and delivers clear results. Verdent Standalone App, multitasking mastery. Verdent's standalone app is built for multitasking. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create a project. Open Verdent Standalone App. Click on New Project. Give it a name and select project type. Step 2. Preserve full context. Switch between multiple tasks or features. Verdent remembers all your previous work. You can pause one project and return later without losing context. Step 3. Run tasks in parallel. Each task runs in an isolated workspace. Multiple agents work simultaneously across projects. You can experiment freely, merge what works, and avoid conflicts. Step 4. Parallel agent execution. Verdent deploys multiple agents at the same time. Complex projects that normally take hours are completed in minutes. Ideal for solo developers, educators, and teams prototyping features quickly. Verdent for VS Code. Inside VS Code, Verdent follows a systematic workflow. Here's the process. Step 1. Install Verdent extension. Open VS Code. Go to Extensions and search for Verdent. Click Install and wait for the icon to appear in the sidebar. Sign up or enter credentials. Step 2. Create a session. Click New Session in the top menu. Add any custom rules for project-specific behavior. Rules guide the AI agents to behave according to your preferences. Step 3. Send your prompt. In the chat window, send a prompt describing the feature, goals, and deliverables. Step 4. Review generated plan. Verdent creates a detailed step-by-step plan. Plan includes objectives, core features, technical considerations, and dependencies. Approve the plan to start coding. Step 5. Code generation. Verdent executes the plan and writes code automatically. Check the files created, HTML, CSS, JS for a browser-based Pomodoro Timer. Launch the app in the browser to test functionality. Step 6. Verify and improve. Use the verifier subagent to test the app. It checks all functionalities: start, stop, reset, task addition, deletion. Verdent generates a summary report and release notes. Step 7. UI and feature tweaks. Send prompts for UI changes, e.g., dark mode, keyboard shortcuts. Verdent implements the changes automatically. Test the app to confirm functionality. Verdent AI in action. To demonstrate, I created a Pomodoro Timer project. Here's the workflow in action. Prompt Verdent to build a one-page Pomodoro Timer. Define features, goals, and deliverables. Verdent generates a plan and executes it. App is functional with start, stop, reset, and task management. Added dark mode and spacebar shortcut using AI prompts. Verified functionality with verifier sub-agent. Summary report generated, showing all changes and improvements. Almost 300 lines of code were added automatically, including enhancements like screen reader support and keyboard navigation. Verdent summary. Today, we went from idea to a fully working Pomodoro app. Verdent planned the work, wrote code, and verified it. Dark mode and keyboard shortcuts were added. Everything was tested and verified with detailed reports. Verdent AI is an all-in-one tool for developers who want speed, reliability, and transparent workflows.
Check out Verdent AI for yourself at verdent.ai. Links in the description may include discounts. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, like this video and subscribe for more AI coding tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time.